So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today this video I gonna show you that how we have to write that automation on real-time project. Okay, show you that how you convert that manual test cases to automation cases. So here I move to my Eclipse. So that project I have made. First, let me clear that all thing. So guys, you will get to know about all things properly. So this is my project structure. So this is that automation. uh, and here like we have src main.java. Inside that one I have created one package called base. Inside that base I have written that browser method or browser class java. So here all things I have created and on static way. So static means like static keyword, it is a java keyword. So that way you can call that any method anywhere. So you can it is kind of method calling, you can say, you can call through that. Then here I have created that one method called browser initialize. There I pass that browser name and I pass that one boolean called headless mode. So here if that browser name is name as in Chrome, and if that headless mode is gonna true, then that my browser will run on headless mode way. Okay, and I have added that all browser file and all dependencies file on form.xml. So here I have added that our Selenium web driver, Selenium Firefox driver, and our TestNG and other things I have added here. Now inside that browser, I have created that some branch of methods like Windows maximize, delete all cookies. Another thing is like timeout, page load timeout. I have set as in 30 second. Then for each and every element predefined, I have added 10 second as an implicit void. Then I have put that return driver as a return method. Then I call that method to that our test cases. So the test cases file has been located inside src test.java. So here I have added that I have written that our test script, that is basic A2E cases. Now inside that resource file I have added that one Excel sheet. That Excel sheet contains our manual test cases. That manual test cases we want to do automate that one. So I have added here. See, we have branch of test cases ID and our test cases and test cases steps and expected result and actual result like that for a manual testing purpose. So this is our manual test cases, guys. So these cases we gonna automate here. In that our like basic AP cases, this is our automation script. And for pages I have created one dependencies called I have created one page package. Inside that page package I have added that our page there I have used that find by, and I am also using that public for a web element. That web element we gonna use on different different classes like that in that our test script. And here I have used page factory method for initialize that our all element. And then I have created the different method. Inside the different method I have added that logic, like that is that username is gonna display. So I have added that logic here. Like I have added logic here like that send keys, click method. Everything will be properly segregated here. I want to see that font size, then I am using this one get css value. And inside this script what I did here, I just create that our page login page as an object here. In that before method tag, I just initialize that our browser, and I am passing that parameter like what browser we wanna use, like Chrome, and I want to run that browser on headless mode or not. Then here I am passing that URL. That URL I can use by that help of our like property file. I can fetch the data from property file or Excel file, but I have created on a simple way here. Then in this I have added the test annotation, and I have given that our priority, like this test case need to be first execute. Then I have provided the test case ID and what the test case is belongs to. And for the report purpose, I have created another report class inside that our base. There I have added that our extended report. That extended report I have added here, and I'm calling that extended report on our script. So here I am passing that create test for what kind of purpose it is there, and then I am using that assertion value here, and like that way I have writing that all test cases. So inside the test cases I have used that one. Once it is done, then I can click on run all. Then all cases will be run on based upon our priority. So like that way, this is a proper automation procedure that we have to do. So see that it will do some testing couple of times. Like first it will initialize that our page. Once that initialize has been completed, if it is not completed, then it will throw that exception. So in further, I'll also when I implement that property file, I can also fetch the data from Excel report. And I'll also handle that our CSV. I can also handle that log. I will implement that log file, so that I can able to like see that all log properly. So first cases has been executed. Now that it is executing that second case. So in these automation cases, total 7 cases has been run, and out of 7 cases, 6 cases has passed and 1 case has got failed. So these all are cases I have written here. Some cases I have neglected because it is not required that automation purpose. So like that way. So I think that these cases I haven't written anything. So these cases is getting failed. So guys, here that we have some difference between that our method fail and that method pass. Because of that, I have used here try catch block. If that first it will try this one, and if that it will come in any assertion will come, then I'll capture that our exception, and I'll give that message and test failed, and then I'll throw that exception. Okay, so like that only I have used like try catch block. And first if that these cases has been try first this cases has been executed, and if it is got passed, then I'll throw that this message my test case got passed successfully, and if it is fail, then it will fail, including that our exception message. Like that way I have handled that. So I have automated that full cases. So here like that way I have automated our full cases, and this is our test cases, manual test cases. That cases I gonna automate like that way. So this is our automation cases, guys. If I run that one on if I want to run as in headless mode, then I'll just use that true, and then I'll click on that run all. And if I want to run this one only, then I can use that run option from here. If I click on run this one, so it will run automatically with headless mode only. Here I got that out of 7 cases, 2 cases got failed. So I navigate to the browser. So this is our TestNG report. Inside the TestNG report, 7 cases got passed and 2 cases got failed. And this is because of no such element exception. And this is our extended report. Inside that extended report, here it is properly visible. Like out of that 5 cases got passed, 2 cases got failed. And here like this is started and today and like today's 5 cases got passed, 2 cases got failed. This is our log events. This is our test case. So total 5 cases got passed, 2 cases got failed. This is our timeline for verification that overall functionality for cases. So this is that extended report, guys. So like that way we can do that automation. So here this is that our automation script. So like that way we have to do that automation, guys.